Welcome to learndaddy.com. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use draft tool. इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम सीखेंगे कैसे हम यूज करते हैं ड्राफ्ट टूल को. Let's begin. We are going to start with the creating new document and click on part as okay. As we are now on the design workbench, simply we are going to select the plane and click on sketch. अब हम एक सिंपल सा स्केच ड्रॉ करेंगे. सिंपली वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ लिप्स. Okay, now let's exit this workbench and we are going to extrude it. Let's extrude it to 100 mm and also mirror. Okay, now we have extruded our sketch. Now we are going to talk about the tool draft. Basically draft is used for providing the taper to the element, and also we use this tool similarly named as drafted filleted pad and drafted filleted pocket. This tool is similar, but in this there is no radius we are going to provide. Let's see. As you can see, below the chamfer there is a tool draft, and also you can find this tool. Simply go to insert and the sub feature and you can find this tool. In this draft we can find the simply draft reflect line and draft angle, variable draft angle. Simply we are going to start with the draft, and first of all we are going to select the face. We are going to select this face, and as you can see we have to provide the neutral element. Simply we are going to click on it and we are going to provide the neutral element, and now you will see there is angle of 5 degree. Simply we are going to change this one. I'm going to use the 10 degree and press OK, or you can see the preview. As you can see, we have used the draft to this ellipse. Now we are going to talk about the next tool, draft reflect line. First of all we are going to undo this draft. Okay, now you can see we have undo this one, and now we are going to provide the fillet. Simply we are going to increase, let's use this 10. Okay, as you can see we have to provide the fillet to the ellipse that we have extruded. Now let's use the tool draft reflect line. Simply we are going to click on it, and now you will see the dialog box has been opened. Now you will see we have provided the fillets to the upper face of ellipse that we have extruded. Simply we are going to click on it, and as you can see the pink lines appears on it. Simply we are going to increase the angle. Okay, now you can see the pink line changes. Okay, now you can see we are going to provide this 10 and press OK. As you can see, this is how we use the draft reflect line. This tool is used for the radius that we have given to the component, and this is how we use this tool. We are now going to talk about the next tool, variable angle draft. First of all let's undo this one or delete. We are going to draw another sketch. click on sketch. Now we are going to draw a rectangle. Okay, and simply we are going to exit the workbench, and now we are going to extrude it. We are going to extrude it to 50 and also use the mirror extent. Okay, now let's click on the tool variable angle draft. Simply we are going to click on it, and now we are going to select the face to draft. Simply we are going to select this face, and we are going to select the points. Okay, now you will see we have 2 points, and simply we can add 2 or more points. Simply we have to double click on the line. As you can see, we have provided the 5 elements. Simply you can delete this one. Okay, you can delete and delete. Simply we are going to use 2 points. Okay, now let's change the angles. I'm simply going to double click on it and provide the angle 10 degree. Okay, 10. Similarly, I want this to be 10. Okay, enter. And also you can change the direction. You can see. Okay, we remain this to 1. Okay, now we are going to see the preview. Press OK. So as you can see, we have changed the draft angle. So we don't use the similar one that is 5 degree. We use the 5 degree and the 10 degree. So in this tutorial we have learned about the tool, draft, and the options that are provided in the draft tool. So we use the simple draft and reflect draft line and variable angle draft. So I hope you like this video, and thank you.